Hi, hello, hi. So this noon I just got a PB single and it's also world best and also the first sub 8 ever. I got a 7.94, which is like really shocking because it was like my PB my it beat my previous PB by a large margin and also beat also like extended the gap of the World Best 2 by a lot, by like 1 second. So I'm gonna reconstruct it for y'all. And the scramble's really crazy in my opinion. Also probably one of the best scrambles I have got ever in FTO. So here's the scramble. So right away I see we have a huge block right here, and I can take advantage. I usually just take advantage of like arrow blocks, and because I right away I see that it's a very obvious first center solution. But when I look deeper into inspection, I also notice that this this it create two arrow block, because I see this one's also connected to this triangle, and this one also connected to this triangle. So basically, I basically can solve first center and first two triples in two moves, which is really crazy. I never expected this to happen. My lowest move count for this solution is I think 6 move. So it was a shocking for me because I can do these two in 2 move. And by doing that, I take advantage of the angle I would do, because if I do this from this angle, like this, we have a free slot here which I can take advantage during center. So I'll do a L prime and a D right here. And then now we're moving on to last free center. So usually I went for orange because I always solve orange first in a lot of scrambles. But I see we have green that's like really easy and also like already oriented, like basically correct. So I'll do I'll do green first. I mean, by doing this. And then this is like what and then I usually solve it on top. I know it's a bad habit to like solve it from the top first instead of the bottom, but I kind of have a habit of trying to like guess with the like PSCOB in square one and stuff like that. So I just try to like place it here and then just like by chance I'll solve the trapezoid, and luckily I did. And what you look at that, it's also just a 3-mover, and it's also correct color scheme as well, so it's really easy. Next we have LBT. So during the solve I see this, and I see this. Somehow I didn't see this, but from these 3 hints I have, I can definitely guess that the red will be right here. So I'll do basically like a sledge prime, some sort of, and then I just rotate and then solve the trip one here. And finally we have L3 1L3 I see it's also a 6A case. I didn't really remember much 6A case because I always hated 6A, so I just forgot most of 6A cases. But from here, without really knowing much out for 6A, I can see that if I do a sledge, it will give me this, which is also another sledge. Mind blown.